Good morning on this rainy Saturday. Today is the Hot Wheels car show, and we're going to do a pre-meet at Garage 16 and hang out with some of you guys before we head up and cruise down. Let's go get that clutch breakfast order. I am hungry. Gotta get some Tim Hortons. We're gonna head to Garage 16 and we'll be there a little early. I told everyone to be there around 12. It's 10:30 now, so I'm gonna head down just a wee bit early. But let's go, let's kick it, and I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. This is why I highly recommend ceramic coating your car. Check it out. I did absolutely nothing. I just drove. We cleaned it yesterday. It was raining. And no watermarks or anything really on the car. The car's looking really, really good. Ceramic coating is really holding up really nicely. People are starting to come. I know a few people out there. The rain is stopping. Super clean wagon. Makes me wish mine was that clean. Check it out. The lineup's growing strong. Looks like we have a decent amount of people. You guys want to be on camera? You guys want to be on camera? Looks like we got a decent amount of people out here. What's up, dude? Check it out. It is getting there. We'll wait a little longer and we'll head out. But goddamn, this should be a decent turnout. Oh, we even have, check that out over there. Hidden gem over there, nice. That thing's beautiful. Oh, shit. What's up, dude? You made it, eh? Hey, we're heading out soon, so I guess park up for a bit, then we'll head out in like 10 minutes. This is pretty awesome. It's crazy that all you guys came out to cruise with me. I'm just a regular dude, and you guys want to come out and cruise with me. You guys are good people. You guys are good people. Pretty sick rolling out. I haven't rolled out with a bunch of people like this in a long time, so doing it now is actually really awesome. No, normal driving, like behind? It is. Is it? It's, but this is absolutely wild. I'm trying to get the best rollers I can with one hand and driving through traffic in the bumpy ass roads, but I hope I did justice to some of the rollers, because your cars are looking absolute fire. This is sick. I've not rolled out this deep with this many cars in a long time, so this is definitely cool. Lopes merch. This guy got out of the car. Look how talk to me. You're wild, bro. You're wild. It was a hell of a drive, eh? Yeah, the traffic. We got a little wild. This is probably one of the most unique cars I've seen. Hands down, rear wheel drive, EK, but I'm gonna surprise you guys with something real quick. You guys are about to get your mind blown. Check this thing out. It's an EK with a CRV front end. This is definitely creative. I give them a lot of credit for this. This thing is, you know, I don't even know what to say. This thing's crazy. Check this thing out. I bet you guys do not know what this is. Mr. Michael did an amazing job with this. Look at that trunk setup. This thing is crazy. This thing is sick. Big body vehicles, a VIP. This style of cars is absolutely huge in Japan. Around here, this is pretty new. And I guess Mike is setting some waves here. This thing is well done, Mike. I smell oil. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? This shit's crazy. What is going on? This is absolutely nuts. Yo! What is going on? What's up, dude? What's up? This shit's crazy. I don't even know what's going on. Running here, running there. Holy shit. God damn. Let's go! Wild! What's going on? What happened? What?
I don't know.
What happened? Leo did it. Leo did it. Yo, what? Did it? The exhaust. Holy shit. Buddy, Leo's EG catches on fire all the time.
Mikey, you're good.
Hey, your EG catches on fire all the time. Don't worry about it. We are finally out.
Isn't this Joni's?
I believe so.
It's Joni, right?
What is going on over there? There was really no vlogging happening, unfortunately. It's impossible. It really is. But, wow, that was a hell of an event. That was an absolutely crazy meet. That two-step battle alone, whatever the hell happened there, was nuts. Car caught on fire. Crazy shit. But aside from that, that was an absolutely awesome experience because I got to cruise down with a lot of you guys and we hung out, we talked, we got to know each other, checked out some of the crazy builds that were down there, and I met a bunch of you guys, which is really, really cool. Make sure you're staying tuned to the Instagram. We are doing a subscriber cruise finally. I know it's been about time. April 30th, we're meeting up at Krispy Kreme in Mississauga. Stay tuned to my Instagram. Instagram's right over here, and the description in this video will have all the details down below. I hope to see you guys there. I'm hyped because this is like my first subscriber cruise also. I just didn't think you guys would want to come out and hang out with me. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know. I didn't think so, and today was a pretty crummy day with like rain-wise, and I still had a bunch of you guys come out, so it's really, really cool. Hopefully it's not raining. This cruise will definitely be dependent on the weather. No one really wants to cruise in cold, wet rain, right? Hopefully it's a beautiful day and we can have a good time, just cruise and get some rollers that you guys saw in this video. I'm hoping to do that, but times maybe 10, right? Because we had about like 10 to 15 cars at one point cruising down, which was really, really cool. Hopefully we can get like 30, 40. That'd be absolutely insane. I feel super humbled that a lot of you guys are recognizing the builds and the videos and you guys watch it, and I honestly really appreciate it. You guys are fantastic. You guys, the main reason I do this is the support I get from you guys is amazing, and sometimes I just forget how much support I really have, and yeah, really cool. When people ask to take photos, I'm like, me? Like, why, right? But like, I appreciate it. If I'm a little awkward, I apologize. It's just I'm not used to it, but I feel super humbled. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a crazy one. A lot of interactions with you guys. I didn't get to record as much at the show as much as I wanted. It's super hard to actually vlog during a show because there's always music playing and so many people. So I tried my best to capture as much as I could. I only got a few cars in the beginning, and then I just got carried away talking to all you guys, but it was a good thing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you guys. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once, do it right, and later.
Hector, what's going on, player?
What up, what up? How you guys doing out there? You guys alright?
Talk to him, people. Talk to him. Toronto, come on, man. Talk to him. Oh, they just chilling. They're just chilling.
Yeah, man. I had a little problem with the plane flight, man. I got to the border, and long story short, man, Canada didn't let me through, so I was like, I couldn't be there with you guys. I wish I was. But my criminal record helped me back, and that came up, and then it just became a whole mess from there, so they weren't letting me through to hang out.
Well, hey, first of all, we appreciate you even calling us. I know you're a busy guy. You got something filming tomorrow and all kind of stuff. I appreciate you calling us down our day. So, I have some VIPs here. Where my VIPs at? Where my VIPs at? Come on over here.
Angela was cracking. How you doing? I wish I was looking to meet you, give you a hug. What's up?
Oh, I was so hoping for that. It's so disappointing, but you know, it is what it is, and thanks for coming on here.